guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zeel. It feels so good to finally sit down and shoot a YouTube video. I haven't done that in a month. It's been a little busy this month, but finally it feels so good to sit in front of the camera and talk to you guys. If you're here for the all-day matte compact powders, here is the PR package. Nykaa Beauty sent across 4 of their shades for me to try, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. We'll be talking about the product, I'll be showing you the swatches, and I'll also show you a demo of the product on me with the closest match there is amongst these 4 shades. So if you would like to know more about the product, by the way, the product retails only for rupees 225. So yeah, if you want to know more about the product, please keep on watching. So let's quickly talk about the packaging first. This is how the outer carton looks like. The name of the product is All Day Matte Compact Powder, and it also says that it has SPF 15 PA++ and it has 12-hour oil absorption. The backside of the package has some properties listed out and some important information like the manufacturing and the expiry date, and also the net content, which is 8 grams by the way. This is how the actual product looks like. It has a very neutral packaging, like very neutral colors like white and brown. If you're wondering, the color behind is not color coded. All of them have the same color, I guess. Yeah, they do have the same color. So you have to read the shade name and then use it. But I quite like the neutral colors. It does not seem very Nykaa to me. I thought it would be something like black or pink, but it has white and brown, and I really like such nude tones. It's also very sturdy. Let me open the product and show it to you. It comes with a mirror, and it also comes with a puff, which I'm not a fan of because I don't use puffs with my compact powders. I really like to use my own brushes, so I don't think I'll be using this a lot. Coming to the shade range, there are 8 shades that come in this range, and I have 4 shades. All of them are the odd numbers. It has been able to mattify my oily and dewy skin very well, so 10 points for that. And the powder is very lightweight, like the formula is very lightweight. I don't feel like I have anything on right now, and because the formula is like that, I honestly don't feel like I'm having a foundation on as well. Maybe because I've just used like a light layer, but I think the formula is good. One thing that I noticed is that you need to dab the puff only once, because if you dab it twice or thrice, it's going to take up a lot of product and you're going to waste that product, or it's going to build up on your skin and then you'll have to spend extra time in blending it out. While we're talking about blendability, the blendability is good, but as I mentioned earlier, I'm not a fan of this puff, so I won't be using it. Talking about the pigmentation, the powder is heavily pigmented. I can clearly see the yellow undertones of this shade beige. So yes, the powder is fairly pigmented. If we talk about the longevity, like when did I have to go for another touch up, I used the product the other day. I was at home all the day. Yes, I was shooting, so I was exposed to the outside environment and to some sun and humidity. So I had to go for another touch up after 6 hours. And I have a combination skin type most of the year, but during the summers I have an oily skin. I'm literally the oiliest person ever. So I had to go for another touch up after 6 hours. But if you have a dry skin type, I would say that this could last for I think 8 to 10 hours. And if you have like a very oily skin type, I think around 4 to 5 hours. After that, you will have to go for another dab of the puff. One thing that I forgot to mention earlier is that the formula is fortified with vitamin E. So while it is like a very matte formula, because obviously it's supposed to matte things down, it is also enriched with vitamin E, which is somewhere going to hydrate your skin or nourish your skin. so which is great, like which is a great point. And the price point, the price of this compact powder is rupees 225, which is the best thing. I mean, I love how accessible the price point is, and I think I really like Nykaa products for that. They make beauty available to everybody. A good drugstore brand, you see me using Nykaa products all the time, so I think for rupees 225 this product is definitely worth giving a try. I recommend it. Please go ahead, if you can find a shade for yourself, definitely try it out. The formula is good and it's very reasonably priced, so for rupees 225 I think it's definitely a product worth trying. I will leave the link down in the description box for you to check it out if you're interested. And I hope this video was helpful. If you want to know anything in particular about the product, the swatches of the 4 shades will be in the video, or you can also check it out on my Instagram. I'm creating Instagram reels and stories, so you can definitely see the swatches there as well. But I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video.